made it. We are here. We are at Born Free. Jared can't cope.
No.
He had to have a moment, didn't he? We left him in peace for a bit.
Yeah.
And then, we finished off our evening. It was quite a show.
It was good last night. But yeah, it is already getting busy here. I am waiting for these clouds to go away as well and the sun to come out.
They'd gone by the hotel. It was sunny there where we had breakfast. So yeah, we got plenty to see, I think, but we're waiting for Nick to turn up.
Yeah.
So fortunately, we met Nick yesterday at the bike shed, and he kindly offered. He's a very good videographer.
Yeah.
And he knows what he's talking about. He fixed your camera for you, actually,
He did.
didn't he? But he's kindly offered to come and do some filming, additional filming with us. So hopefully you'll get like a better view of the show.
Yes, and it's really good that he's offered to do that because when Weems saw us yesterday, he also tasked us and decided that we could take his B-roll footage
Because he's got one on his stand.
Because he's got to stand by his stand, yes.
So yeah.
We've been put to work.
Yeah. So we'll try and find Nick as soon as he turns up, and then see what this is all about.
Yeah.
I've had enough of all these chopped up motorbikes. Should you have a look at some proper Triumphs, some original motorcycles?
Original proper ones.
Yeah.
But you're saying original, you've looked at these all before.
I know, but they're good, aren't they? And I know this one is the best one in the show.
These guys have looked at them all before.
Yes, but see this blue one? It's the best one in the show. Do you know why? I worked on it.
Welcome to News Action 1. Here we are live at Born Free 16 in Silverado, California. The weather is beautiful today, folks, and we are here with Joe from TheWurks. Joe, how are you enjoying the show?
It's all right.
It's all right. You hear that, folks? It's amazing.
Are you excited? Are you G'd up? Are you ready?
I'm nervous, actually. So
How long you got?
I have to go stand behind the stage in 4 minutes, and in 30 minutes from that point, they're going to announce the Builder's Choice Awards. So many amazing bikes, really, to be honest. Like, everybody brought their A game this year, so anybody that receives an award earned that award this year because, no joke, these guys put at least 8 months or more into these builds and thousands and thousands of dollars.
The quality is incredible, isn't it?
Yeah,
Absolutely amazing.
and the way it works is we have to vote for each other, and so even me going out there and picking my top three, it's
You
one of the
struggled
hard.
this morning.
Yeah,
You
I
really
struggled.
struggled.
I asked other folks like, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? But at the end of the day, you know, it's like I know these guys and they're fellow builders, so I'm proud of every single one of them, and I know anybody that comes off that stage today with an award earned that award, no joke.
Yeah.
So hopefully maybe I come home with some gas money to get me back to
get
Florida
back to Florida.
at least. So yeah,
So we surprised you
you did.
very slightly. You were
Slightly,
oblivious.
slightly. That was a huge surprise.
Everybody conspired against you.
You're all liars. You're all liars. You lied to me.
How is it having British people invading your moment?
The redcoats are coming. The redcoats are coming. No, dude. It's such an honor that
you guys would come so far for this. And I'm starting to get emotional, so I'm going to stop talking.
No problem. Best of luck.
Yeah, man.
We'll
thank
see
you
you
so
up there.
much. You'll see me on stage. We'll see what happens.
We might join you.
And that's it for News Channel 1. All the builders up on stage just line up here. Let's hear a round of applause for these guys. We have builders from all over the world, including Australia, all over North America, Canada. So we've had over 400 invited builders in the history of our invited builder program. We are going to have a first, second, and third, and first place goes to Yokohama, Japan, to the Bunai's Hot Rod and Custom Show, triple of a lifetime. So third place of our invited builder awards, and that's this check you have here, Simon, okay? Yeah. Goes to a beautiful pre-unit Triumph built by the Nefas brothers. Invited builder, third place, come on down. Second place for our invited builders goes to somebody that had a rough time, a rough go of this thing getting here. All the way from Australia, Mr. Rod Mangles. Oh, man. Rod's he got blood poisoning at the beginning of his build. Congratulations. Almost didn't make it. But then I was like, we thought he was a goner. Because I don't want to ask him. Congratulations, Rod. Second place, invited builder.
That's personal.
Okay. All right. First place, invited builder gets $5,000 from Born Free. Also gets a ticket for themselves and their motorcycle to the Hot Rod and Custom Show, the Moon Eyes Hot Rod and Custom Show in Yokohama, Japan. First place goes to one hell of a showman, Mr. Ryan Grossman. Yeah!
So,
Day one done.
yeah. It's incredible, isn't it? So busy. So many people, so many awesome bikes, lots of Triumphs.
It was a lot of triumphs. It's unlike anything we have at home.
Yeah.
Although the only thing I did not like, there was an unattended snake.
There was a snake. Yeah. Two actually.
There was two, not
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah. One trying to escape at you.
Yeah.
We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, he's riding that. He's just doing that.
Some of these don't even look possible or easy to ride.
No, but he's doing it.
He's doing it, yeah.
Yeah. Back at this again tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's day 2 at Born Free. I have been dragged out of bed at God knows what time with jet lag.
What, like in England, it's probably like noon?
Yeah, it is around midday actually. Yeah. We've left the fine ladies to sleep.
Gotta get their beauty
They weren't
rest.
getting up this early.
No, they gotta get their beauty sleep, so.
But we're gonna go. What are you got in your hand?
Got some fuel and a funnel.
You actually
Petrol.
You're gonna put petrol in that display bike.
Listen, it's not a display bike.
That
We're gonna go
piece.
start this motorcycle and show these people that it is a riding motorcycle, so.
Let's try this again.
Take 2. Take 2.
Shiny. That front wheel's nice.
Yeah,
That's my favourite bit.
some bloke over in England. Yeah, this is December for us. December, June, January. kill switch up here?
Doesn't start, I'm gonna have to get
Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear us because it's really loud, but there is a kickstart competition, so we're going to go and have a see.
Dude, this guy's gonna need some boots. Amazing.
There was a little hesitation for a second.
Was there?
Scared me.
Joe, you got
scared
this.
me. We're good. We're good.
There you go. Rocking easy money. Okay, get it. Yeah. One kick. Dude, I thought I told everybody. One kick. Thanks for coming out and playing. Hey, I got some straps for you so you can strap that to a trailer. Haul it home, dude. Thank you, Lowbrow. They probably got the parts you need to figure that out.
Man.
One kick. Oh, let me tell you, this guy's been talking. Oh, yeah. Oh, now that was some... Easy, huh?
Boy, that one's
right,
ready to go.
It's gonna get different now that she's a little warm, huh?
Oh my God! This is worse than when the truck the vessel stuff. Oh God, this is terrible. He just
Hey, clear out, hey, Audrey. Clear out this crowd. We gotta get this fucking thing.
You are now an uninvited
straps. You can strap that down to something.
Two in a row. Get out of there. Don't try to resolve yourself. It's just getting worse for you.
He's got a guy on the throttle.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here he goes.
Here we go.
We're still here.
This is nearly it.
Yeah.
I'm very nervous. I think I'm more nervous than Jared is.
Tell us about that.
They, at the Born Free show, they rate the bikes. The other builders get a chance to vote on each other, and the public get a chance to have a vote as well for the best bike.
And the organisers pick a bike, and I think Moon Eyes pick a bike as well. So the winner actually gets a chance to go to Japan and show their bike and see a custom show there. So hopefully,
Slim is one of those guys
fingers
that's
crossed,
helped so many guys build a
he
bike
brings it
over
home.
the years I can't even
So we're
tell
going to go
you.
and check it out now because they're going to give the awards. Jared's waiting backstage. I'm going to go and film him for his channel. So you're going to take command of the whole of the channel.
You've been put to work today, haven't you?
Yeah.
Come on holiday to go to work.
I know. Be careful up there. Are you going to capture it all for us?
Yes,
Or for these people?
hopefully.
Yeah?
Fingers crossed. Let's try.
Let's go see what happens.
Best free unit is going to Mr. A guy who builds a lot of killer free units, Mr. Jared Weems. Beautiful blue, the light blue, powder blue pre-unit in the invited builder area. Come on, Jared. How you doing?
Yeah, buddy. Well, I just want to say thank you to Mike and Grant for having me all the way from Tampa, Florida. 37-hour drive. Awesome time to be here, bringing some Triumph love out to Born Free. I want to say thanks to Paul at Award Cycle. Made a lot of custom stuff on bike. Fish for painting my bike, and my beautiful wife for letting me do it. So, hey, man, thank you, guys.
Thank you, Jared, for coming back. It's a pleasure.
And just like that, it's done.
It is.
This is the
That
end
was
of Born
2
Free.
days.
Yeah,
It's gone so quick.
I know. We got some more days, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
But that's our holiday. So, unfortunately, we're going to leave you here. Jared won Best Pre-Unit, which you will have seen.
Yes.
He's very happy. The bike looks great. All of these bikes look really good, don't they?
They do. Absolutely stunning.
You had a good time?
I've had a great time. And the sun has been out, so
Yeah.
it's been beautiful.
We had a little bit tan.
Burns.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for joining
So
us.
good, so good.
Hopefully you've enjoyed it.
Yeah, and thank you to the people that come and said hello to us. Somebody come to us today and said that they only watch Weems because they watch us.
Yeah.
Best moment of my day.
All the way from California. Little secret, when we came out here, Emily said to me, I don't think anybody will spot us at this show.
No.
And we've had numerous people come up and go, oh my God, it's you.
I still get a bit like baffled by it in the
Yeah.
UK. So in the US, it's
If you do see us, do come and say hello.
Oh,
We don't
always.
bite. We're very, very grateful for the support. As usual, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and
where have your sunglasses gone?
they're over there.
Oh, okay. Thought you'd
see you
lost
in
them then.
I haven't lost them. But we will see you in the next one, which will be Jules's bike.
Yes.